Okay, we're going to give a demonstration here using Fractal 2.0 here at the university in the MUFON Club. This is how we process our images to determine whether they're hoaxed or the real thing. We're going to give you a base image of a Cessna 172, and we're going to go ahead and process this with the pseudo-Kolbic denoising. There's the original aircraft image. And this doesn't take a lot of time at all to actually do the processing. So using fractal analysis here, which in nature we have patterns throughout nature, and what we're doing here is kind of exploiting those patterns. If it is an untampered image, everything should be blended into the background of the photo itself. In this case, we have an aircraft against a set of clouds, and you can see is that everything is blended, which means the fractal patterns go through the aircraft. It's part of the image. We know now that the image itself has not been tampered with. Okay, now the next one we're going to do is a UFO off the wing of an aircraft, and we'll go through this process. We're going to first use the pseudo-Kolbic denoising process, and then we'll show you the image, the original image, and then we'll go through a Bising denoising. Now on this one, as we look at there's the image right there, and now we're going to process it. And this will show you how quickly this can be done, whereas in the past we have spent hours doing photo analysis on this. Now we can do this in relatively just a few seconds. Now, and we're going to zoom up onto the craft itself, but you can see that there's a distinctive line up and around the craft, which means this thing has been photoshopped into to the background image. Now if we move over towards the wing of the aircraft, we can see is that the wing itself, that's all blended in, and that's all part of the background of the fractal itself, the fractal analysis of the combination of clouds and the wing itself. And that is about a 2-minute scenario. All this information can be found on our website of the Omaha UFO Study Group. There's a tutorial on how to use Fractal 2.0. It is free, and you can download it and do the same identical processing with the various fractal analysis. We've chosen specific ones that we use. You can do the same in combinations thereof to determine whether something is either a hoax or is the real deal. Thank you.